My name is Terrence Chisner, and throughout my career, I've generated over $141 million in sales, and recently I gave myself a challenge. I wanted to see whether I could use Claude AI to create one digital product from scratch and turn it into a $50,000 a day money printer, and well, I did just that. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Claude to drive these results so that you can simply copy it. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, because if you do, it could change your life forever financially. With that being said, let's get right into it. So first, we are simply going to type in 2 Claude prompts, and they are the following. Number 1, I want to create a digital product for EBT1 green cards. Give me the 10 biggest problems this audience currently has that they would realistically spend money to solve. Rank them based on urgency, purchasing power, demand, and how easily the problem could be solved through a digital product. Now prompt number 2, create a complete digital product designed to help high school students get into Ivy League colleges. Break the product into modules, lessons, action steps, templates, checklists, and resources. The goal is to get the customer from a high school to a college of their choice in the Ivy League as quickly and simply as possible. And now I'll show you what to do next to maximize your results based on these prompts. All right, guys, so I've worked with over 50,000 clients over the last 8 years, quite a few clients between high and low ticket products. So we're talking anywhere between $47 all the way up to $200,000. What I love about this offer, this is one of my favorite offers, is it's helping people get EB1 green cards. One of the reasons I love this is it's just has a lot of the things built in. So remember, when you're having an offer, you have determined outcome, time, likelihood. So it's like likelihood of achievement, and then you have time, and then you have effort. Now, what's interesting about this is a lot of people, like they already know it's gonna take a lot of effort, but they need to get it done quickly. It's a great outcome, and then obviously like the likelihood of achievement. So you get 3 out of 4 on this offer. With that being said, this is how I would try to sell it. So the first thing we have to do is come up with what I call the 3 pillars. 3 pillars is, again, you're showing people why they should work with you and why you're so much better. Okay, that has to be super, super clear. So when I think about getting an EBT1 green card, this is usually for people who live in different countries and they want to become a US citizen or get a green card here, obviously to make more money, the better life for their family, etc. One of the biggest issues is that you can hit on is you could say, percent chance of success. So the way that pillars work is you always want to say what they do, what I do, why it's better. Okay, so for example, you say, this is in your sales calls, your marketing, your ads, like your content, everything. This is like, someone's like, okay, so Tanner, there's a million different people who help me with green card stuff. Why should I hire you? And this is to make it really clear. So I'd be like, okay, so pillar number 1 is what I call, you could call it anything you want. This is not a great name, but you could say percentage chance of success or likelihood of achievement or changing your life forever, whatever you want to call it. And it's just like to get people like, ooh, like what is that? What they do, the bad guys, you say, so look, here's what most people do. You try to get a green card, and what most people do is they go through this route and they do this thing and they do that thing, and it's really slow and it's highly ineffective, and the chance that it works is really low, plus it takes forever. What I do is I'm going to show you XYZ and ABC methodology, because I don't know how to do this, but I have clients who do, right? And it's going to help increase your chance of getting it by 20%, plus it's going to increase chance in terms of time by 20%. You're going to get 20% faster. Why is this better? Because if you get faster and you have a higher chance of success, obviously that's better. Does that make sense? So that would be pillar number 1. You could say like pillar number 2 is decreasing risk. So again, we'll do they do, we do, why it's better. Again, what most people do is they just go through traditional routes. They go through the government, they go on websites, they do this, and like it's pretty slow and arduous process. Plus, the chance that it gets accepted is pretty low because everyone's doing the same thing. What we do is a methodology called da-da-da-da-da. We send out this many applications. I have this. I actually have a stamp of approval from Congress that says like my program's amazing. Actually, one of my clients that did this, that's actually what they had. And that's why it decreases your risk, because you basically, instead of having a 30% chance, go to an 85% chance. Now, I can't promise you 100%, but blah, 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 blah. Why is that better? Because getting an 85% chance of winning versus a 30% chance is better, right? So whether you work with me or not, do you understand why pillar 1 and 2 is vital to you having a higher chance of success and getting into the USA? Hopefully you guys are following this so far. So then we go to number 3. And I would say, again, you could say, okay, pillar number 3 is hiring process. And we could do they do, we do, why it's better. So I say, okay, so what most people do is they don't hire anyone. They try to do it for free. They try to do it on their own. It usually doesn't work. It's really frustrating. They end up having to start over multiple times, and eventually they hire someone anyways. So what we do is if you work with us, or why we're better, excuse me. So it's like, so instead you could hire us, and the reason that's better is because this and this and this, and this will increase your chances that it works. This decreases your chance of risk. This increases your chance of success. I've had this many client stories, da-da-da. So it's like, these are the 3 reasons you would want to work with us. So, whether you choose me or not, you also understand that you have have to do this, right? So even if you didn't do this with me, I would recommend you do this with someone else, because if you don't, you're going to get the same results as most other people. This right here is like how you get people to pay you $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $100,000 because they believe that what your process is better than anything else they're doing. If this is clear, you'll crush. Okay, so obviously the only reason I can't list out the exact specifics is because I actually don't fulfill on this, but I have clients who fulfill on this. And ultimately, it's just what are the top 3 reasons why they should hire you and work with you versus doing it on their own or hiring someone else. That's all it comes down to. And so what I did is I gave you guys some examples here. It's like, okay, so your chance of success is higher. You're decreasing your risk by doing this. And like you want to work with me instead of someone else because of this, right? And you can bring in your credentials. So for example, I do a lot of business consulting. So for hiring, I can say, hey, you could hire these people, but they usually made a lot less money. They've had a lot less success. That's why you'd want to hire me instead. Or I wouldn't use decreasing risk. Instead, I'd be like lead flow. Okay, here's what most people do for leads. I do this instead. This is why it's better. It's going to make you a lot more money, right? You're showing people, think if you're getting perfume for your girlfriend and you go into a perfume store and you say, hey, what's the best perfume? What do people do? Salespeople, and the reason no one trusts them is they all say, this is the best perfume. You should listen to me and trust me. I'm a really good person, blah, blah, blah. Instead, if you had someone who said, hey, this is the worst perfume. This is why. This is the best perfume. And this is why it's better. Whether you buy from us or not, I would get this type of perfume for your girlfriend. Creates a lot more trust because you're not just saying all the benefits. You're also creating and talking about the downsides. Okay. So that is the 3 pillars for this type of offer. Regardless of what you're selling, it's going to be the same thing. And you're always going to do it in a they do, I do, or we do, right? And this is why it's better. You got to make it very simplistic for people. If you don't, you're really going to struggle to sell. So regardless of how you package this product together and sell it, this has to be apparent, whether it's a sales page or it's your ad or you end up having a sales call or you send an email. Like you're going to bring all this back into everything you do because it's going to be the reason why someone hires you over and over again. Okay. Now, once this is done, how do you actually deliver it? So there's a lot of steps for something like this, but the first thing, like if I was creating modules, all right, and I wanted to make this into some type of digital product, right? So whenever I talk about digital products, it's the PDFs, the modules, the courses, the videos, etc. Okay, that's what the digital product is. When you add in coaching with it, that is where people like lose their minds, but it's like you can sell it at a higher price usually because people are like, oh, I'm going to get more value. You don't have to do that, but I usually would recommend it, even if it's just like group calls or they can have 1 call a week or like bi-weekly, whatever it may be, because you can push the price point a lot higher. So here's how I would essentially do it. First, when you're using Claude, because that's what this video is about, it's going to give you a template or a table of contents for whatever you're going to do. So you might have like intro, you might have legality, you might be like a strategy, contracts. I don't know, like whatever goes into all this, like there's going to be steps and you can use Claude to just break that down. You're like, and the more information you give Claude, the better this is going to be. So it'll break down your entire curriculum right here. Then what you can do next, so we'll just say curriculum. Next, you'll have like PDFs or templates, PDF templates. So then anything you need in here, like let's say, obviously it's a contract. It's like, okay, create the PDF. Like you can plug that in here. Or if it's a strategy, you can have that on a Google Doc. Or the legality, like again, you can have Claude create all this very quickly. Now, obviously if you feed it the information, it's going to create it a lot better. But sometimes like what's nice is I've taken old templates I have of, let's say, a sales script or a contract. And I'm like, hey, make a similar contract, change these things out. And it's like night and day difference. Like I don't even have to spend any time. It will usually take me, 15 to 30 minutes on a contract, and then it takes me 2 to 5 minutes. So you're going to have the curriculum, you're going to have the PDFs. When I say the curriculum, those will be videos you're going to record. Outside of that, what I usually do as well is like you have the curriculum, you have your PDFs, templates, checklists, whatever you call it. Then you might have group calls. You don't have to do this because people are like, oh, this is digital product. It's like, but you just add it in, it creates more value. It makes it easier to sell. A lot of people will get stuck just with this. Like if you just do a traditional digital product with no added, calls, coaching, reach outs, the problem ends up becoming that the value just seems very low. And they're like, well, what if I have a specific issue or customize? Everyone thinks they're a special snowflake. So part of like helping through that is you could add in group calls. And then if you want to make it even higher, you could do 1-to-1 calls. Okay. And the benefit is like, if you're going from like something this valuable, you could literally sell it from anywhere. I think you could sell from anywhere between $197 up to, $20K, depending how far down this list you go. So if you just do the curriculum, it'll be the cheapest. You do curriculum plus PDFs, a little bit more. You add in group calls, it gets a little bit higher. You add in 1-to-1, you can really push it. So like I'd say like with group calls, you probably sell this at like 5K. Just by adding in 1-to-1, you can push it to 20K. So a lot of people like, oh yeah, but then it's not just a curriculum and stuff like that. But it's like, yeah, but the price point can go from 197 all the way to 20 grand. This is essentially how I structure everything I do. And the benefit of Claude is like, it can create the whole curriculum, all the PDFs. All you basically have to do is these 2 things. I mean, don't get me wrong. fine. You still have to record and shoot and edit the videos, but this would take me, hours, like at least, and sometimes days to create these things. But now at the click of a button, it can create that. Even when you're like doing ads or content, etc., it can just speed the process up dramatically. And from this particular offer in general, basically what I learned from this client was that a lot of people would be doing XYZ thing over here. Instead, he'd have them focus on these things instead, and it would push the results a lot further. So you would bring that up in the curriculum. You'd have PDFs to support that, and it'd usually be like, hey, fill this out or do this worksheets, things like that. And then you give them support, extra support here if you want to push the price point higher. You obviously don't have to, but anytime I even think about digital products, it's like, it's still a digital product. You're just adding in that extra service. And people are like, well, that's not a digital product. It's like, no, it is. It's just you're adding in that extra service. Making $50,000 a day selling digital products is not guaranteed, and Claude AI is not some automatic money printing machine. It's a tool that can dramatically speed up how you research markets, create products, build offers, write marketing, test ideas, and organize the entire process. So the results are still going to depend on the quality of the product or how valuable the problem is to solve, the strength of the offer, your pricing, your traffic, your conversion rate, your marketing, your audience, and your ability to execute all of the above. Someone with an existing audience or strong sales skills or advertising experience or even customer relationships or capital to invest is obviously going to have an advantage over someone starting completely from scratch. But the framework itself is simple. Find a problem people are willing to pay to solve, use Claude to help build the solution, then turn that solution into an offer people actually want, get that offer in front of the right people, track the numbers, and scale what works. If this video helped you, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and comment below what digital product you would build using Claude. And if you're a business owner who wants help scaling your business to 6 figures in a month or more, check the links in the description or pinned comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.